All right, so for this one, I chose to also do problem number 18. And so it was a word problem, and it had said that the minute hand was about 6 inches long, the hour hand was about 4.5, and they wanted to know the distance between the two hands when the clock reads exactly 2 o'clock. So we all know that there's 12 markings on a clock. I didn't quite put it on here. We all know there's 12 markings on a clock. And so I just divided 360 by 12 since it's a complete circle. And each individual, so 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., is going to be about 30 degrees. So since we're at 2 o'clock, I doubled that and got 60 degrees for the angle in between the two hands. And so then using that, I now have two sides at an angle. So I used the formula to find, again, I just labeled it x. So I did 6 squared plus 4.5 squared minus 2 times 6 times 4.5 times the cosine of 60. And after doing that, and obviously square rooting it, you get that the distance between the two hands is 5.4083 inches.